Well guys, welcome back to the channel again. I really hope you enjoyed the bike check on my 2021 Specialized Status. I am very excited to start getting to mod this thing and make it my own. As always, I love customizing my bikes. As you can see with the last video, or the last bike, the GT, it's wrapped in purple, all the good stuff. So yeah, we are gonna start getting started on doing stuff with this one. So first thing is first, we are gonna be doing the chainring. In the bike check video, I said that this has an oval on it, and I would let you guys know what happened. So I ordered my chainring from a company called Works Components out of the UK, and great company. Heard really good things about them, read a lot of good reviews. The price was really good. The only thing was the shipping time was from the UK, so it took about a week or so to get, or 10 days, which isn't bad, but it still took a little time to get. Unfortunately, they sent me a black one when I needed the silver one. So I reached out to them, so hey, it's no big deal. You sent me the black one. Is there any way I can send it back to you guys? Or so they were nice enough. They told me just to keep it, and they actually sent me the correct one. So this is the Works Components 30 tooth oval for the SRAM direct mount. And I am super excited to run this. So as you can see, this is going to kind of be the color scheme of the bike. I actually have already changed the logo on this to the Status logo and the Specialized. That's really simple on this bike. There's only two things that signify what it is. So I found a group with the SVG for me to do it on my Cricut at home. Actually not kind of happy with the silver because I kind of want it like this. So I am going to be redoing that to a more of a mirror finish. So later we'll do that, no big deal. So yeah, other than that, we are going to install this. We are also going to be installing some Nuke-Proof Horizon pedals, I believe is what they are. They are silver as well, and we're going to be doing the Nuke-Proof Horizon stem. Super excited for those parts to come in and get those on. But for now, let's get this chainring on, and yeah, let's get it, throw it on. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to do a little bit of reorganizing here in the workshop. So as you can see, everything's completely different. So originally where you guys are sitting on now with my workbench usually is right here, and I'm working in this area here. Well, I noticed that I could gain a lot more space and utilize this area as a backdrop and more workshop space and more floor space if I switched it all around. So now my workbench is here and I have my bike stuff here, which seems to work out really great. I'm really liking the backdrop. I got the old GT Zasker frame, which is cracked unfortunately, but it's wall art. And then we have just a random fork that doesn't work. It's just an RST fork. No big deal, it's got a broken dropout. But I know that I was working on the oval in the last clips that you just saw, but I had to redo this whole basement or workshop in order to do the next series of parts, just for visually and for my mental, because this place was a mess. So next we are going to be doing the stem, and we're going to be doing the pedals that I have for this new bike of mine. So without further ado, let's get to it.